Let's face it, getting employees to log their timesheets accurately and turn them in on time can be a major headache. But it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk through 6 steps you can take to increase timesheet adoption. Let's get started. Step 1. Give your team convenient options for logging hours. Every employee prefers to track time differently, so offering your staff multiple time entry tools will allow them to log their hours more conveniently. Helpful options include a mobile app for employees who are always on the go, a stopwatch tool for teams that need precise time data, a week view to quickly log hours for multiple days, and a Slack integration for teams that regularly use Slack. Step 2. Make time entry fast and easy. The easier it is to enter time, the more likely your employees will develop good habits. To make time entry as simple as possible, you can use a time tracking platform to provide employees with an intuitive interface so that the process is straightforward. Tailor timesheets to individual users so that each employee only sees relevant time entry options. And enable predictive logging so users can copy over their previous entries to log hours faster. Step 3. Make timesheets useful to employees. Traditional timesheets are a one-way street. They only send data up to management. But with the right time tracking platform, you can provide employees with useful information about their time allocation. For example, in ClickTime, your employees can see how much time they have left for each project so they can prioritize their tasks more efficiently. When timesheets are useful to employees, they'll be more likely to log their hours accurately and promptly. This will result in improved time tracking and overall productivity. Step 4. Frequently check your team's time entry completion. The right time tracking platform will show your managers a high-level overview of each team member's timesheet status. This makes it easier to coach employees and instill good habits. For example, with a time entry completion dashboard, your managers will see which team members are logging their hours consistently. This will help your managers address late entries and ensure that all hours are accounted for. Step 5. Let your time tracking platform play the bad cop. Constantly reminding employees to submit timesheets is not only exhausting, it also distracts managers from other important tasks. In the worst case, it can even strain the relationships between managers and their direct reports. That's why we recommend setting up automatic reminders so that your managers don't have to badger employees to complete their timesheets. When timesheets are due or past due, your employees will receive an automated notification prompting them to take action. Step 6. Measure your employees on timesheet completion. If you make a timesheet completion part of your annual performance review process, your employees will be more likely to develop good time entry habits. With an employee performance dashboard, you can see a variety of employee metrics at a glance, including timesheet completion. This will equip your managers to give constructive feedback using objective data. And there you have it. 6 steps to increasing timesheet adoption with a time tracking platform like ClickTime. Unlike spreadsheets, ERPs, HR platforms, or project management software, ClickTime was purpose-built for project time tracking. To learn more or schedule a demo, check out clicktime.com.